Hi, it's Rebecca. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a new room heater that I got that I can't wait to show you guys because I'm freezing and I want to open this baby up. So sorry about the glare. I don't have all my setup up here right now, but I didn't want that to stop me from unboxing this heater because again, it's really cold in here. So I set up our homeschool room. It used to be in the living room and the dining room, and we were just working in that area. But I'm realizing that for us to really be focused, and including myself, I think we need a homeschool room. So I went ahead and my boys are now sharing a room, and we turned one of their bedrooms into our homeschool room, which is just a quick view here. But that door back there is an attic, and we get a cold breeze that comes through there. And our house is an old house. It's built in 1901. And so, you know, the insulation isn't 100% perfect. And then we also have this window that's right here. And so we're freezing up here, and that wasn't gonna work for us. So I had to figure out how to warm up this room quick and affordable. And I'll share the link with this heater below. So here it is, the GoveeLife smart heater, bringing warmth to life. Let's see about that. But it is programmable with your smartphone, and it oscillates. And I went ahead and got the white one, but let's open this box and I'll show you what we got. Okay, so that was so simple to assemble. You just have to put these two pieces that are like moon shaped, crescent shaped, that you just put, or they're like cut in half, and you just clip them together. And then the cord pops through the bottom. Let me flip this around. And then the cord pops through the bottom here. So you can see if I lift it up, it sits right in there like that. And then, well, it's kind of hard to do this with the phone. There we go. Okay, so it's on, and I like the size of this because it's not too huge, but it says that it should support a large room. So we have all the buttons here with all the different settings. So I'm gonna figure that out here in just a second. Let's see if we see, that's turning that on. That is setting, ooh, it's already, oh, this feels so good. This already feels warm. So here it looks like the time, like if you want it 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, 8 hour. I need to sync my phone to this so that I could program it and set the time that I want it to shut on or start and then shut off. So I'll be setting this for around 7 in the morning so that it's nice and warm in here before the kids and I have to jump in. But I can tell you already, this feels so good. I'm gonna let this go for a couple minutes and see if it actually heats up the whole room like it says. So I'm gonna move this to the floor and I'll be back and let you know. Okay, I'm gonna come in to feel the temperature change from out there in the hallway, which is cold, to in here. And there's definitely a difference. It feels comfortable. I wouldn't say it's like super warm like your house heater, which we do have a house heater, but it is warm enough that it's worth it and it makes a difference. And especially if you have it moving like this and you're back here, even back here, I could feel it. So just having it moving around about in the room is going to make this space so much more comfortable to be working in. We'll be able to concentrate, because this morning we were all like in robes and blankets, and that's just not comfortable to do all day long. So I would say yes, this works and it's worth it, and oh, that feels so good. What do you guys think about how the room feels coming from down there and up the stairs to up here? What does it feel like?
It feels warm now.
Does that feel comfortable?
Even extra cold, you can go right here.
Yeah, but just in the room itself, honest review in the room itself, is there a difference?
Yes, there's difference. A mega difference.
Like a mega difference?
Yes.
Okay, so you heard it from my kids. Will you guys be in your robes tomorrow, or you think you can work without your robes?
Work without them. Work without them.
Yay, we got a winner. So I'm going to quickly go over the app. Once you have it synced, you're going to go to the home screen, you're going to open it up, and here you'll be able to do the different settings from like the different temperatures, high, medium, low, and then you're going to be able to set up your time. So you're going to scroll down, go to scheduling, and you can go ahead and click the time. I'm setting mine for 7 a.m., but you can see it goes all the way up like military time. So it will be 7 a.m. So I'm going to select 7 a.m., save that, and then there's the days of the week, so you can check them or uncheck them. I'm doing Monday through Friday for our schedule, and then I'm going to go ahead and select that and say we're ready to go. I want it on high. We're going to check that. So it's 7 a.m. There's also a timer option, so you can set if you want it to be on for like an hour or 2 hours, whatever time you want, all the way up to 23 hours. You can select that, and then it'll just run for that length of time. So you could set it either way. You could schedule it or you can run it through a timer. And that is the basics of the app. I appreciate that you took the time to watch today's video, and I hope that you found value. If you are in the market for a heater that heats up a small to large room, you might want to check this one out. Again, I will leave that link below. As always, I really appreciate you, and I have to ask, is today the day you're going to subscribe? I hope so. Please stay tuned for more content that's homeschool related, products that I'll be reviewing that I like to use either around our house or for homeschooling, DIY type projects, and more. So thanks so much, and God bless.